Hey turkeys, where are we going?
I'm gonna get on Daddy's shoulders.
Carson, where are we going, guys?
To the circus.
To the circus.
And I'm gonna get on Daddy's shoulders. And get on Mommy's shoulders.
You can get on my shoulders.
The life of the Rices.
So, there's the hubs. We're all just getting home, guys. We've had such a long day. And we're heading to the, let me make sure hey. We're headting to the UniverSoul Circus. So that'll be fun. This is our first time ever going.
Your daddy sent us tickets.
Yeah, that's right. So my dad asked us if we wanted to go, and I said, of course. And so, yeah, thanks, Dad. So, we're about to go to the circus, and we've never been, and we have a lot of fun. So, you can't see them, but they're excited. They've been say hi, Grandpa. Well, you can't see. What did you say, Carson?
Hi.
Hi. She said hi, Grandpa Joe. So yeah. Grandpa Joe. So, all right, y'all. To the
Grandpa Joe.
Oh, Grandpa Joe. Yeah.
That's Grandpa Joe on his car.
Yeah. You love Grandpa Joe?
Yes.
Yeah.
On his heaven.
Oh no, he's not in heaven. No,
That's
Dad.
Grandpa Don.
Yeah, Grandpa Don's in heaven.
Oh,
Yeah, how so it'd be kind of
Don.
awkward if he sent us UniverSoul tickets. UniverSoul.
On the grave.
All right, y'all, to the circus. I don't know, did y'all have fun at the circus?
Yeah. I like clowns.
Oh, you like clowns now? That's awesome.
Yeah, it was really good.
You like elephants? Yeah, you love elephants, Kylan.
I saw an alley elephant.
You did? John, what's your critique? You loved it?
No, it was really good.
Yeah.
No, the only kind of a slow thing was the dog act, but that was still pretty decent.
Yeah.
Elephant is I saw horses.
You saw horses. It was wonderful, guys. I loved it. So now we gotta go home, rush down some sleep. It's 10 o'clock, and then we plan to be in Charlotte like this time tomorrow. So, not this time tomorrow. In 12 hours, basically. So we're really tired, so we gotta go home, rush down some sleep, and we've got little Michael's birthday party tomorrow. So excited about that, and that's in Charlotte. And then we're gonna get to Charlotte early enough to go to IKEA for the first time ever. So I'm excited about that. It's the store that's supposed to be amazingness, and Mommy is excited to go.
Can I go?
Yeah, we're all going. So, all right, we'll see y'all
Hey y'all,
in
so
the
it's the
morning.
next day and it is not as early as we thought we'd get up. We decided to sleep in and we decided to switch the IKEA trip to later afternoon because they don't close till 9. So we're gonna do the IKEA trip later and then first we're gonna go to the party. So we should get to the party like 15 minutes late. So I think we're doing pretty good considering the fact that all of us got ready this morning.
And also too, our normal late schedule is normally about like anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour late.
Yeah.
So we're actually ahead of schedule.
Yeah, we're actually ahead of what we normally are, but it's it looks kind of cloudy. You think it's gonna rain?
There's a chance of rain all day.
So yeah, so got the turkeys back here. There's my little old man with his little come over. So I'm pretty sure they'll all fall asleep. And I was gonna say something, I can't remember. Oh yeah, so yeah, I think I said we're going to Michael's birthday party. Politia, the Goonberry Tales, and of course I'll have all their information linked below. But we're gonna go to their party. And yeah, so the kids picked him out a really cute, like he's in a Paw Patrol, so the kids got him a cute little Paw Patrol book. We got him an outfit, so hopefully he likes it. And yeah, we're just excited to hang out with him. So yeah.
Kate, hit it this way. Hit it that way.
Got mommy. I got
Whoa. Hey, you don't hit me.
It's a big dog.
Big doggy, yeah. Their sister being a Krabby Patty.
Somebody didn't want to listen to Daddy. Told her to take a nap on the way up.
Yeah.
Nope. Of course, Daddy doesn't know what he's talking about ever.
That's the baby girl, huh?
Oh God!
Can I see? I like it. Let me see yours. Are you happy now?
Got back, guys.
Are y'all getting your fruit and vegetables?
There's the birthday boy.
Ready here? Not right now. But there is a farm. He actually I guess helped out with so much good. I guess like when they first started, but he's right up the road from here, so that's probably where I'll probably buy my stuff up because I'm
Flowers.
Oh, you
What's this? What's this, buddy?
Flower for you.
You picked a flower for me? Thank you.
Here's a purple flower.
Thank you. Y'all are so giving. Thank you.
Oops.
Thank you, Carson.
My. Flower for you.
You want a flower for me?
Here's a flower.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
Yes. A new giant flower for mommy. There's a
Okay, it's just a bug. Stop me.
Where is it?
Take this serious.
What are y'all doing, guys?
bug.
Coloring.
You use the red one?
You coloring your puppies?
Yeah. Yes.
What color is yours, Kylan?
Pink.
Or red? Close.
Red and blue, technically purple, yeah.
Oh. No, red. Yeah, you're right. Red and blue.
Okay, that's enough of this.
Keep seeing a bug.
This
It's like a fly or something?
No, I don't know what it is.
It's a bee.
Oh.
I don't know. Maybe a fly.
Slow
Yeah,
as
it is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Love hard.
Yeah. One more.
Look. Go hard. Closer. One more. You put out the fire. Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Is Jaden over his place?
Is it yummy? Yummy.
Alright, y'all, so just leaving the party. We had loads of fun. As always. Oh, you do? They're looking in their doggy bags. It was the cutest little Paw Patrol thing. So we're tired, but IKEA closes in 2.5 hours. So we're only like 20 minutes away. So we're gonna hold on. So we're gonna go to IKEA and just like walk around, and then
Okay, honey. Hold on.
and they're trying to open stuff in their doggy bags. Okay. Hey, how do you ask me nicely, sir? Yes, I may. Y'all, oh my goodness, we're here. They're like an IKEA so far. Menus are funny, yeah. I'm gonna hold that. So y'all, we're in here and we are overwhelmed, and it is amazing. You like this store? Yeah. Yeah, we got one thing for Carson's room that I had bookmarked on mine for a while, so.
No, I wanna.
I love you, man. You tired? Yeah, we've had a long day. Yep, so this is pretty much my kitchen, guys. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's like one of those farm type. That's cool.
This kitchen is beautiful.
Yeah.
Kitchen's beautiful.
I want it really badly.
This bed. and stuff.
Here's the boys' new bunk bed.
Woo! Then let me get on the top.
Alright, listen. I'll put you up here, but no.
You guys like it?
Oh, I want to get up there.
No.
Alright, y'all, so we're just leaving IKEA. The kids were
Mom, look.
in there. Yes.
A doggy bone.
I love it.
It's a real one.
I love it. And so we actually saw two people inside of IKEA. We saw one of John's classmates that they didn't see since he graduated. She was here. She actually lives in Columbia, South Carolina. She was in Charlotte. So that was like crazy and an insane coincidence. We were all here at the same time. So that was cool. We saw her, and then we saw a subscriber. So hi. I want to say Cindy. Cindy. Hi, Cindy. So I guess I should look at the camera. Hi, Cindy. So, what's her name? I thought it was Cindy.
Cindy.
Cindy. Yeah, so we saw subscribers. So that was pretty cool. And she said she noticed John first, and then I think she heard my voice, and then realized it was us. So, so that was pretty cool. And now we're about to go to this place called the Midnight Diner because they have chicken and waffles. And every time I come to Charlotte, I go there and get the chicken and waffles. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm most likely gonna drive home, and then we've got church tomorrow. So we're gonna be just dragging to church. But we're gonna Kylan Monroe, no sir, Kylan. Hey, very quiet. So we're gonna be dragging to church tomorrow, but we're still gonna go. So off to the Midnight Diner. Woo. Alright, y'all, like
And subscribe. What do they say?
yeah, because we're about to grub.